Yeah, hello children. Welcome to IIT Foundation. This is Srinivas, your maths faculty. Let us go to the today's class. Yeah, in algebraic expression topic, today we are going to discuss about that factorization. What is factorization? Yeah, factorization is nothing but we are expressing any algebraic expression, whether it can be binomial or trinomial. We have to express that algebraic expression as product of factors. Product of factors. Okay, na? That is nothing but factorization. So expressing an algebraic expression which contains which could be binomial or trinomial, whatever. We are expressing that algebraic expression, or we are writing that algebraic expression as product of factors is called its factorization. Okay, na? So let us see one example here based on this. For example, if you are taking that 3y square plus 2y, it is a binomial expression, right? It contains two terms. Binomial expression. This binomial expression we are going to write as product of its factors. So let me tell you detailedly how we are writing the algebraic expression as product of its factors. Okay, na? Now I am taking the first term in this expression. What is the first term? 3y square. Okay, na? 3y square we are going to write as 3 into y square is nothing but y into y. So I am writing the first term as 3 into y into y. Okay, na? Now second term 2y. 2y is nothing but 2 into y. Okay. Now identify the common factors between them. Here 3, here 2. Numericals are different. We don't have the common in numerical part. But observe the variables. We are having y is a common part. What is that? Y is the common part. So identify this common factor. Okay. So the common factor is y. Now I am taking the given given expression, that is 3y square plus 2y, and after writing this I am going to write the common factor first. What is the common factor? Y. Okay, na? Now see this first expression or first term. If you remove the y, what is the remaining? 3 into y. 3 into y is nothing but 3y. Okay, na? Now middle term is plus. From the second term, what is remaining? 2. Now see this one. The given 3y square plus 2y is expressing as y into 3y plus 2. That means here y is the one of the factor and 3y plus 2 is the second factor. So the given expression we are writing as product of its factor. That means this expression is factorized. Okay, na? So first of all we need to identify the common factors between them. Clear? Yeah. So let us go to the practice sheet first. Yeah, first problem, that is given that 3y cube plus y. So it is also a binomial. The first term is 3y cube and second term is y. So if you are unable to understand identification of common factor between these two terms, so just write like this: first term factors and second term factors. Then identify the common factors between them. Okay, no? So let us try this model for 2 or 3 problems. Okay, no? So 3y cube I am going to write as 3 into y cube is nothing but y into y into y. Y cube is nothing but y into y into y. Now second term is y. It does not have any common factors, so we can write is 1 into y. Okay, na? There is no numerical present in the second term, so we can consider as 1. Now what are the common factors? The common factor is y. The numericals are different, but while you are observing the variables, we can identify the common factor is y. Okay, no? Now the given expression 3y cube plus y. First we need to write the common factor. Okay, so after removing the common factor, what is remaining in the first term? 3 into y into y. 3 into y into y is nothing but 3y square. Okay na? So middle term is plus. From the second term, not there anything means 1 will be there. See, if I remove the common factor y, what is remaining? Only 1 will be there. So this is the factorization of the given expression. Okay na? So y into 3y square plus 1. Okay. Now let us go to the second problem. The second problem is 10x minus 30x square. 10x minus 30x square. Same like this model, I am just writing the given terms as product of its factors. First term 10x. 10 I am going to write as 2 into 5, product of primes. 2 5s are 10 into x. Okay, x as it is x. Now 30x square. 30 I can write as 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, na? So 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. X square we can write as x into x. Now identify the common factors first. What are the common factors? First let us check the numerical values. So numericals 2 is a common number and also 5 also a common number. So 2 into 5 nothing but 10 is a common factor. Okay, na? Now variables x is a common factor. Okay, na? Now I am going to write the common factor is 2 into 5 into x. That means 10x is a common factor. Now I am taking the given expression 10x minus 30x square equals to, first write the common factor. What is the common factor? 10x. After removing the common factor, what are the remaining values here there? From the first term there is no remaining number. So we should write 1. Okay, na? So middle term is minus. From second term remaining part 3 into x, 3x. So this one we can express as 10x into 1 minus 3x. This is the factorization of the given algebraic expression. Okay, na? Check. We'll go to the next problem. Yeah, the third problem is given that 2x into x plus y. 2x into x plus y plus second term is 3 into x plus y. Now here onwards I am going to write factorization. That means I am going to write this expression as product of factors directly by looking the first term and second term and identify the common factor between them. First term is 2x into x plus y. 3 into x plus y. Nothing but bracket term. X plus y, x plus y. First term we can able to identify x plus y. Second term also there is a term x plus y. So I am just trying to take the common factor x plus y. Okay, na? Common factor is x plus y. Now after removing the common factor, what is the remaining terms involving the first term? Remaining factors are involving the first term 2x. 2x, here plus term is there within and remaining 3. That's it. In single step we can identify. In single step we can write the given expression as product of factors. But one thing you have to understand, what is the common factor between them. Okay? Very good. Let us go for the question number 4. So that is 2x into a plus 4. 2x into a plus 4 plus the second term is given y into a plus 4. Y into a plus 4. Okay, na? Again, first term, that means plus before, plus after. From the first term we can identify a plus 4. Second term also a plus 4 as a common factor. Write the common factor first and the remaining terms in the given expression. In first term 2x is remaining, middle plus symbol. In second term y is remaining. That's it. That is the answer. Okay, na? Very good. So let us go to the question number 5. The factors of 7a into 2x minus 3. 7a into 2x minus 3 plus 3b into 2x minus 3. 3b into 2x minus 3. Now check this one. Any common factors? Yes, always bracket term here, common factors from the three terms, from the three problems. Now I am taking the bracket term 3x minus 3 is a common factor, and what is remaining from the first term we can see 7a, second term plus 3b. Done. Very easy problems, right? Okay. Problem number 6th one. So a minus b whole square. The next one is a minus b whole square plus a minus b. Now, can you identify common factor here? A minus b, here also a minus b. But here given a square, means a minus b whole square is given. Now, I am going to write this one as a minus b whole square means a minus b into a minus b. Am I right? Any number square is given means that base should be multiplied by itself. Plus, second term is a minus b. Okay. Now, identify the common factors. Yeah, a minus b is a common factor from the first term and second term. And what is remaining if you take a minus b is a common term? From the first term a minus b is remaining plus second term not there anything, only a minus b is available. Not there anything means 1 will be always. Not there anything means there is a presence of 1. 1 into a minus b is nothing but a minus b. This is the answer. Okay, na? Please check. Now, let us go to the problem number 7. Okay. Yeah, that is 2r into y minus x. The problem is 2r into y minus x plus s into x minus y. Just identify the common factors first. Now observe the bracket terms y minus x, x minus y. Y minus x, x minus y both are same or different? Both are different, not same. For addition a plus b, b plus a same. Okay na? But subtraction a minus b, b minus a not same. Okay, right. But how to take the common factor? So bracket is not available as a common factor. Identify the remaining terms. 2r, here r is not there, number also not there. So there is no common factor between them. But while you are observing that y minus x, x minus y, just to the difference of first position and second positions. Now I am going to write this one as 2r into y minus x. Now this x minus y I am going to write as y minus x. That means plus x becomes minus x, minus y become plus y. That means I interchange the symbols of the terms. So that's why I should keep minus symbol in front of them. Now check here, minus into y, minus into minus plus x. So if you keep minus symbol in the place of plus, we can interchange the terms with the symbols. Okay, now? Now you can identify the common term is y minus x, y minus x. That is equals to y minus x is a common term, and from the first term 2r is remaining, from the second term minus s is remaining. From the second term minus s is the remaining. Okay, na? Very good. Now going to the question number 8. Yeah, 8th question is given that x square yz plus x y square z plus x y z square. Now until the 7 problems we are getting only binomial terms. That means binomial expressions are given, 2 terms, but here 3 terms are given. How to do? We can directly like first term write its factors, second term write its factors, third term write its factor, and identify the common factor. That is the one of the method. Or directly you can identify what are the letters are involving here. What are the letters here? X, Y, Z. 3 letters. In second term also X, Y, Z. Third term also X, Y, Z. Okay, na? All are containing X, Y, Z only. So I am going to take x, y, z as common. Okay, na? Now see here x square. X square means x into x. Or let me write one more step here. X square I am going to write as x into x and yz is same. And here also x, y square z. X into y square we can write as y into y into z. Okay, na? Now third term x into y into z square I can write as z into z. Okay, na? Check x square yz I have written as x into y into z. X square I have written as x into x. X square means x into x. Yz also there. Y into z. Okay. Now you identify x, y, z is common. X, y, z. Here also x, y, z. So from the three terms, I can have the x, y, z as a common factors. So I am taking x, y, z as a common factor. From first term, what is remaining? X is remaining. Plus second term, what is remaining? Y is remaining. Plus and third term, z is remaining. Finished. So product of its factors. Okay, na? Question number 9. Check that. Yeah, bx plus by. Ninth question, bx plus by and minus ax minus ay. Now this time 4 terms are given. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are given. If it is given 4 terms, just observe first term b and x. That means first 2 terms b we can see the common factor. But second 2 terms a we can see the common factor. So in this type, we cannot take the common factor from all the terms together is not possible. Okay, we cannot take at a time common factor from all the 4 terms because there is no common factor from all the 4 terms here. So the what do we do from the first 2 terms? What is the common factor? B. B is the common factor from first 2 terms. Okay. Now I am taking from first 2 terms. If I take b as a common factor, from the first term what is remaining? X will be remaining. Second term plus y is the remaining. So the first 2 terms I can write like this. Now from second 2 terms I can say a is the common factor with negative symbol minus a. So minus a is a common factor. So if I remove the minus a, what is remaining? X is remaining. If I remove minus a from second term, y is remaining. So x plus y. Okay, na? So b into x plus y, a into x plus y. Now x plus y is a common factor from the both of the terms. See, from the 4 terms, I made the 4 terms as 2 terms. First term, second term. Again from the first 2 terms, this means these 2 terms x plus y common factor. And what are the remaining values here? B minus c. Finished. Okay, na? 2 terms I use it to identify the common factor like this. Right. Next problem. Problem number 10. Yeah, let us see the problem number 10. The 10th problem is given that, 10th problem is, factorization of a square plus b, factorization of a square plus b and minus ab minus a, minus ab minus c. Okay, now observe here, first term, second term, these 2 terms, I did not find any common factor because of different variables. A square is different. A square means it is having the variable a, second one b, variable b. Both are different variables, so we cannot take any common factor between them. So in this type of situations, what to do? We have to interchange the terms by using the commutative property. That means a plus b we can write as b plus a. We can interchange, right? Right. Now I am writing the first term and last term together. What is first term here? A square is the first term. Last term is minus a. Okay, na? So a square minus a together I have written. And what are the remaining 2 terms? Plus b minus ab. plus b minus ab, right? I just changed the position of the terms. Okay, I didn't do anything. Only the positions I have taken because of to identify the common factors between them. Okay. Now from the first two terms, both are the variables of a. I am taking a is a common factor. Okay, na? Here a square means a into a. If I take one a common, another a will be remains. Here minus symbol. If I remove this a, what will be there? Nothing will be there. Nothing will be there means 1 is a common factor. Okay, na? Now check again. A into a square. A into 1, a. Now these two terms, what is the common factor you can identify? B. So B is a common factor. Okay, na? Now if I remove B from the third term, nothing will be there. So 1 is the common factor. From the second term, if I remove B, what is there? Minus A. Okay, na? So these four terms now become two terms. Okay. Now first term, second term, again observe there is no common factor. A minus 1, 1 minus A is different. So in this type of situations, what to do? Now I am interchanging 1 minus A as A minus 1 by changing plus symbol as minus symbol. Okay, na? Now A minus 1 is a common factor. Take A minus 1 as common factor and remaining is A minus B. From the first term is A remaining, second term minus B remaining. So that's it for up to practice sheet problems. So please check this. Now let us go to the exercise problems. Okay, na? Exercise 1. Exercise 1 problems. Okay. Yeah, let us see that. So identify the common factors, same like this only. Choose the following correct answers. The first question is given that. So a into x plus 5 plus 2y into x plus 5. Now what is the common factor here? Very good. X plus 5 from both of the terms is common. So we can write x plus 5 and from the remaining a plus 2y. Okay, na? That means first term a remaining, second term is 2y is remaining. Clear? Yeah, let us go to the second problem. The second problem is 6x into 2x minus y plus 7y into 2x minus y. Identify the common factors. Yeah, 2x minus y is a common factor. So take 2x minus y as common factor. What is remaining from first term? 6x. Second term 7y. Okay, no? So same like third problem also same like this only. What is the third problem here? 4a square into 3x minus 2y. 4a square into 3x minus 2y and 3b square into 2y minus 3x. Now identify the bracket terms first. 3x minus 2y, 2y minus 3x not same. So what to do? We should interchange these two. So 2y minus 3x just change as 3x minus 2y by changing its symbol. So plus 3b square becomes minus 3b square. Okay, na? First term is same. Now identify the bracket terms. 3x minus 2y is a common factor between them. So 3x minus 2y if you take as a common term, then what is remaining? 4a square minus 3b square. Completed. Okay. Now let us go to the problem number 4. The fourth problem is factorize the 12x cube y power 4. 12x cube y power 4 plus 16x square y power 5 minus 4x power 5 y square. Okay now? Now just identify the, here three terms only there. Identify the variables first. What are the variables here? First term x, y variables. X, y, x, y. All are having x and y variables. Okay now? Now to identify the common factor, just take out the least factor. That means least exponent first. What is least exponent here? First one, let us take least exponent from variable x. Okay? Yeah, variable x here, x cube, x square, x power 5. Among them, what is the least power? X square. Okay? Now from variable y, least power, y power 4, y power 5, y square. Least power is y square. Take y square is a common. Okay, na? So variables I have taken. Now identify the common factors from the numericals. 12, 16, 4. Common factors. 4 is the common factor. That means all will come in 4 table highest value. Highest table is 4. So every term 4 will be there. So I am taking 4 also a common factor. Now from the first term, that means this 12 we can write as 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. Okay na? And 16 we can write as 4 into 4. 4 we can write as 4 into 1. Okay na? Now I am removing 4 as a common factor. What is the number is remaining here? 3 is remaining. From this x square, x cube, x square. Here 3 x's are there, here 2 x's. What is remaining? 1 more x is remaining. Here 4 y's, y into y into y. 2 if you write outside, 2 remains, y square. From the first term, if you remove 4x square y square as a common factor, remaining 3xy square. Now plus symbol. 16, 4 into 4. If you remove 1 4 outside, another 4 will be there inside. And x square, we already taken x square, there is no x terms here. Now y square from y power 5, y cube will be remains. Okay, na? That means there are 5 terms, 5 y's are there. If you remove 2 y's as common, how many are there? 3 y's are remaining. So y cube. Now here 4 minus symbol. 4 we are writing as 4 into 1. Nothing but 1 is a common factor. 1 is remaining. From x power 5, x square taken common means x cube will be remain. Y square have taken means that's it. So this one only you can write neatly, that is 4x square y square into 3xy square plus 4y cube minus x cube. That's it. Okay. Please note it down. We will go to the next problem. Okay. So the problem number 5. Fifth problem is given that 9x square into 6x minus 5y. This is 9x square into 6x minus 5y and minus 12x square. Minus 12x square into 6x minus 5y. So direct question only, what is the common factor here? Directly you can take the common factor is 6x minus 5y as a common factor, bracket term. And what is remaining? 9x square minus 12x square. Now 9x square, 12x, x square, both are like terms. Like terms means we can able to subtract. But 9 minus 12 is not possible. 12 minus 9 is minus 3. Okay, no? So minus 3x square into 6x minus 5y. That is the answer. Okay? Because of the like terms only we are able to subtract or add. Next. Problem number 6. That is px minus qy minus py plus qx. Okay? So identify 4 terms are given for this expression. First 2 terms there is no common variable. First term p is not there in second term, x also not there in second term. So first 2 terms we cannot take anything to common. Okay. Now try to identify the common terms first. Now first one and last one I am writing together, that is px qx, because from both of the terms I can identify x is a common term, and middle two terms minus qy minus py write together, minus qy minus py. Okay na? Now identify the common factor from first two terms. X is a common factor. X is a common factor. Then p plus q is remaining. That means from the first term p is remaining, from the second term q is remaining. Now these two terms, minus is a common symbol and y is a common letter. So if you take minus y is a common letter, then q plus p remains. Okay na? P plus q, q plus p. Both are same or different? Both are same. For addition, both are same. So we can take p plus q is a common factor. First term x remaining, second term minus y is remaining. Because p plus q, q plus p both are same. So let us go to the next problem. Okay. Problem number 7 is, the seventh problem is given that the factors of a power 4 plus 2a square plus 1 minus a square. We need to identify the factors of this expression. Okay na? So first identify the common factors. Identify the common factors first of all, or else from the first three terms we are using one of the algebraic identity we can use. So from your childhood onwards you are aware about that a plus b whole square formula, right? A plus b whole square formula or a minus b whole square formula we can apply. Okay na? So what is a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Here while you are observing first three terms, same like that only. That means a power 4 I can write a square whole square. Okay na? 2 into 2 become 4. A square. Third term 1 I can write as 1 square. 1 square means 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1 itself. So a square, b square is completed, 2ab. 2 into a value a square, b value 1. 2a square into 1, 2a square. Middle term got. Minus a square. Okay na? So from these three terms, it is looking like a formula like a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. That means a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. A means a square, b means 1. Minus a square. Okay na? So again it is in the form of one of the famous identity a square minus b square equals to a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Here a means this entire term. A square, b means a. A square minus b square. So a plus b. A plus b into a minus b. Done. Please note this. Problem number 8. Okay. So that is factorize 16 minus a power 6. 16 minus a power 6 and plus 4a cube b power b cube minus 4b power 6. Okay na? Now as you identify the from the first three terms a plus b whole square formula, here I can identify the from last three terms. Now this one I am going to write as, I am taking minus as a common term. Okay na? And a power 6, 4a cube b cube and 4b power 6. Okay na? If I take minus as a common term, all negative terms become positive and all positive terms becomes negative. Now first one is negative, so I got positive. Second one is positive, so I can write negative. Third one is negative, I can write positive. Okay? Now 16 as it is. Now a power 6 we can write as a cube whole square. A power m whole power n formula, a power m into n by using the laws of exponents. A power 6 we can write as A cube whole square. Last one also I can write as 2B cube whole square. Okay, now? That means 2 square value 4. B cube whole square means B power 6. Okay, A square, B square minus 2AB. 2 into A value A cube, B value 2B cube. Now check 2 into 2, 4. A cube into B cube, A cube B cube, 4A cube B cube. So it is in the form of A square minus 2AB plus B square, nothing but A minus B whole square formula. Which formula? A minus B whole square. Here A means A cube minus B means 2B cube. So A minus B whole square formula. Same like 16 I can write as 4 square. 16 I can write as 4 square minus A cube minus 2B cube whole square. Now observe here A square minus B square formula. Which formula? A square minus B square. So we can write as A plus B into A minus B. A means 4. A plus B. A cube minus 2B cube. A plus B into A minus B. A minus again this one. A cube minus 2B cube. Okay now? Now while you are writing the plus symbol, we won't affect anything here, but minus symbol we will get affected. What is that minus symbol? Minus into A cube minus A cube, minus into minus plus 2B cube. So this is our required answer. Okay now? Please check. Write that problem. Now we will go to the next problem, okay? The next problem is nothing but ninth one. The problem number 9 is, so AXY minus BCZ. The question is given AXY minus BCZ minus AZ plus BCXY. Identify the common factors. 4 terms. How to do? From 2 terms we should take the common factor. Remaining 2 terms also we should take the common factor. Okay, let us see the first 2 terms. A is not there in the first term and second term. Sorry, A is available in first term but not in second term. X is not there in second term. Y is also not there in second term. Now I am writing the first term and last term together. First term and last term together. What is first term? AXY. Second term BCXY. That means first term and last term together. Now remaining second and third terms BCZ minus AZ. Okay. From first 2 terms, what is the common factor here? XY is a common factor. First 2 terms having, first term XY is available, second term also XY is available. So if XY is taken as a common factor, A plus BC is remaining. Okay. Now second 2 terms take minus as a common factor and Z also. Minus and Z also. Then it will be from first 2 terms, last 2 terms BC and A. Okay, no? But BC plus A, A plus BC, BC plus A both are same. So we can take A plus BC as a common term. That means from the first term we can remain XY and second term is Z. That's it. Let us go to the problem number 10. Okay, no? So the problem is given 3p plus 2q whole square minus 2 into 3p plus 2q into p plus q plus p plus q whole square. So just while you are observing entire term, entire expression, it is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. Check here. A is nothing but 3p plus 2q here. A means 3p plus 2q. Just identify through the arrow marks. A square minus 2ab plus b square. That means this is the formula for a minus b whole square. Am I right? A means what here? A means 3p plus 2q minus b value. B means p plus q. A minus b whole square, that is equals to 3p plus 2q multiply with minus p minus q whole square. Okay, no? 3p minus p is nothing but 2p, 2q minus q is nothing but q. So 2p plus q whole square, nothing but 2p plus q into 2p plus q. Done. Now we'll go to the problem number 11. 11th problem, okay? Yeah, the problem number 11 is A value, B value given separately, then we need to identify A plus 36x square y square plus B minus 26x square y square. Okay, let us see. A value is 4x square y square into 8x power 5 y power 10 plus 6x power 5 y power 9 plus 1. So this is the value of A. Now let us write the value of B. That is B equals to 6x square y square plus 4x power 5 y power 9. Then factors of, we need to identify the factors of A plus 36x square y square, B minus 26x square y square. Okay. Now let me simplify A value first. A value I am multiplying here, 4x square y square. Now multiply these two. Okay, na? 4 8s are 32. X square into x power 5 is x power 7. And y square into y power 10 is nothing but y power 12. Next, 4 into 6. 4 6 are 24. X square into x power 5 is x power 7. Y square into y power 9 is y power 11. Plus 4 into 1. 4 x square y square. This is A value. Now B value. B value 6x square y square plus 4x power 5 y power 9. B value is not changes because two terms are given very clearly here. Now we need to identify the common factors for which one we need to find the common factor. A plus 36x square y square. We should take A plus 36x square y square plus B minus 26x square y square. Okay, now, so let me try to substitute the values here. Okay, A value 32x power 7 y power 12 plus 36x square y square plus B value, sorry, A value I did not write completely, so A value still is there. Yeah, A value is 24x power 7 y power 11 plus 4x square y square. That is completely A value. A value after 36x square y square is given. Right, 36x square y square. After B value, what is B value? 6x square y square plus 4x power 5 y power 9. So after writing the B value, minus 26x square y square is given. Now first of all identify the common factors. So I can see x square y square is a common term or like term. Here 4 times x square y square, here 36 times x square y square. 4 plus 36 is 40. Again this is also like that all, x square y square. 40 plus 6, 46. Okay, these three are positive terms, so last term is negative. That means 40 minus 26 is 40 minus 26, how much? 14. So this is 14 x square y square. Like terms identify. Again, any other like terms are there here? No other like terms, write these remaining terms as it is. 32 x power 7 y power 12 plus 24 x power 7 y power 11 plus 14 x square y square, and this one also 4 x power 5 y power 9. Now identify the common term from all of them. I think 2 will be the common table, right? Yeah. 2 will be the common term here. Common number as a common term. Among them 2 is a common term because here 32 it will come in 2 table, 4 table, 24 4 table, 4 also 4 table, but here 14 is there, 14 won't come in 4 table, so 2 taken. 2 x square y square common term. From first term, from 32 if you take 2, how much? 16 will be remain because 2 16s are 32. From x power 7 to x square, x power 5 remaining. Y power 12, y square remove means y power 10 will be remaining. Plus second term 12, x power 5, y power 9. From the third term 7, and the last term 2x cube y power 7. This is the factorization of the given number. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Yeah, please note that. Let us go to the problem number 12. Okay, the 12th problem is a value is 19x power 4 plus 36. A value given 19x power 4 plus 36. Next, b value minus 3x power 4 661. 661. Next, then the factors of a plus b. We need to identify the factors of a plus b. First find a plus b value. A value, b value, try to add. Addition. Addition for only like terms. Okay, na? Like terms means x power 4 is like term. Here x power 4 is like. One is positive, second one is negative, subtraction. 19 minus 3 is 16 x power 4. Now these two numbers, one is negative, one is positive, subtraction. 661 is bigger. So 11, borrow 11 minus 6 is 5, 2 and 6. So which is bigger? Negative number is bigger, so minus 625. Okay, now this one we can write as 4x square whole square. Can I write? Because 16 is a square number, 4 square value 16, x square whole square value x power 4. And 625 we can write as 25 square. Okay, now 25 is the 625. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. Nothing but a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b. Again, this one we can write as 2x whole square. 25 we can write as 5 square. First one we cannot write because plus symbol is there, no? Minus symbol means we can apply the a square minus b square formula again. Then a plus b into a minus b. Please note that. So let us go to the next problem. Okay, 13th problem. That is given 5px minus 10qy. Second term. Third term 2rpx minus 4qry. Okay, now? Yeah, check this one. Identify the common terms from first two terms. There is no common factor except the number. Okay, now? We can take number also as a common factor. Yeah, I think 5 table will come from first two numbers, first two terms. If I take 5 table, what is remaining here? Px is remaining. From second one, minus 2qy. Correct? Second term and last term, 2 is a common term. And R also a common term. 2 is a common number, R is a common letter. And what is remaining here? 2R means Px will be remaining minus 2 Q, Y is remaining. Yes. So again bracket term is a common one. What is remaining then? Px minus 2qy common, then 5 plus 2r is remaining. Okay. Check. Question number 14. Question number 14. That is 3AP plus 6AQ minus 8BQ plus 4BP. Okay, no? Check that common terms. First two terms I can identify 3 table and A is a common term. So 3A I am taking common term. From first term P is remaining, 2Q is remaining. Okay, no? Next two terms I can take, one is minus right here. Okay. Let us take the minus term here. Now we can see 4B is a common term. 4B is a common term. Then what is remaining here? 2Q minus P. But both are different. We don't get any common factor. So we cannot go forward like this because here plus term is given, here minus term is not given, not work out. So try to interchange the terms. So that also will be given like that only. 3AP plus 4BP I am writing here. Now here 6AQ minus 8BQ. Okay, na? Identify the common terms from both of them. P is a common term. So 3A plus 4B remaining. Now here Q is a common term with 2. 2Q common means 3A minus 4B. So we cannot go more than that also. There is a problem in the mistake. Sorry, there is a mistake in the problem. So let us try to change here. This is also minus symbol. That is also minus symbol. Now we will get it. Okay. Now 3A minus 4B is common. Then P plus 2Q will be remaining. Okay. There is a mistake in the question. Just you can change that. Last one as a minus term. Question number 15. Let us see that one. The simplified form of 4xa. Simplified form of 4xa minus 6yb minus 3ya plus 8xb. Simplified form is nothing but its factorization only. Okay, check this one. Yeah, from first two terms, 2 table common. So I can take 2 table, then what is remaining? 2xa is remaining. Here 3yb is remaining. Next two terms, yeah, I think there is no common factor from the next two terms. So let us try to interchange the terms. Okay, na? So yeah, these two terms together, first and last term together. 4xa plus 8xb, 6yb minus 3ya. Okay, na? From first to two terms, 4x is a common term. If you take 4x, what is remaining? A plus 2b. Okay. Now minus common, 3y also is common. So 2b plus a. A plus 2b, 2b plus a is same. Take a plus 2b is a common, then 4x minus 3y. Okay, now check. Very important sum. Okay, so let us go to the problem number 17. Sorry, 16th one. That is PQ minus RS plus SP minus RQ. Same, first two terms we don't get any common factor. Last two terms also we don't get any common factor. So I am interchanging middle two terms. So PQ plus SP minus RS minus RQ. Positive terms together, negative terms together. So from the positive terms I can identify P is a common term. What is remaining? Q plus S. Here minus R is remaining, S plus Q. Q plus S, S plus Q are common factors. We can take Q plus S, then P minus R will be the remaining factor. Okay, now? Question number 17. That is A value, B value, C value, D value. 4 values are given. A is 5P plus 3Q whole square. B value 3Q minus 5P. Okay, na? C value 13 into 2 square and D value 13 into 3 square. Then the factors of CA minus BD. And the factors of CA minus BD. Okay, na? CA, these two we should write. CA we can write as, I am writing C first. 13 into 2 square into, CA means C into A. 5P plus 3Q whole square. CA minus BD. Okay, na? So here only I am writing CA minus BD. So I am writing D value first. 13 into 3 square. 3Q minus 5P. Okay, na? Yeah. So this one 13 we can take common and 3Q minus 5P take it as common. 3Q minus 5P. Then what is remaining here? 2 square means 4 remaining. 3Q minus 5P. 5P minus 3Q whole square both are same. So this one 3Q minus 5P minus 9. This is the common factor. Finished. Okay. Let us go to the next problem. So there is a small mistake in that question, we can change. Question number 18, xy square plus, that is xy square plus x minus 1 into y minus 1. So this one xy square we can write. Now y into x minus 1 we can write as xy minus y minus 1. Okay, now first term, third term write together xy square minus y. And second term and last term write together xy minus 1. Okay, na? From the first two terms y is a common factor, then xy minus 1 will be remaining. And next two terms we don't get any common factor, so take 1 is a common factor. Here also xy minus 1 will be there. So take xy minus 1 common factor, y plus 1 will be there. Okay, na? Check that. 19th problem. So x square minus 2qx plus px minus 2pq. Yeah. Now from the first two terms I can take x is a common factor. So what is remaining? X minus 2q is remaining. From second two terms p take common, x minus 2q is remaining. So observe the bracket term, x minus 2q is a common term. X minus 2q is common, then what will be remaining? X plus p. Okay? Yeah, that's it for today, children. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.